This garage creeper makes working under the car easier. It is ergonomically shaped to support your head back, so that you can work as long as possible without getting tired. Also, there is special cavities so that you can have everything you need at your fingertips while working. The creeper will hold up to 286 pounds, and will not take up much space in the workshop, as you can hang it on the wall thanks to the hook slot. The XB452 is the world's best portable tire bead breakers. This handy tool can assist with various vehicles from go-karts and 80 base to trucks, regardless of the rim diameter and material. It weighs less than 2 kilograms, and is easily portable. Fitting not only in the trunk, but also in a back, making it ideal for mobile crews. The clever clamp is designed to avoid leaving scratches, dents, or any other imperfections on the rims, which is why that scene is already obtained. This system will come in handy for repair that new work on car bodies and frames. The presented version has a lifting capacity of about 7,700 pounds, and an adjustable height ranging from 4.3 inches to 5.6 feet. According to the description, it's a small version built with high alloy steel tubing using European advanced technology. It's so convenient that the worker can handle the job alone. This is a professional tool for tightening bolted joints. It differs from a conventional wrench, in that it has a built-in torque meter, used by the worker, to easily find the torque applied to each individual connection. But most importantly, all the tools in this series connect to a special mobile app via Bluetooth. Those ramps made of polymer, but the manufacturer says that they're strong like steel. Save yourself 2 of these. Standard ramps hold up to 12,000 pounds, while the max version can hold up to 16,000. Both versions are optimal even for cars with low ground clearance, as you can drive in it's an angle of 17 degrees. You can easily send the ramps, change the oil in your car, and just put them away for storage, in any convenient place. This tool, it helps if a fastener is rusted or stuck. Just 15 seconds of induction. It's enough to solve the problem. In addition, that's also be useful for repairs. For example, it will straighten small dents in the body, help with heat shrinking parts and heating for vinyl coating. The design of the device allows you to heat just the right part of the piece without damaging the rest. In addition, the heating will go evenly across the entire circumference, that is, you don't need to constantly move the tool. These are accessories for garages, parking assistant perfect for 1 or 2 cars, the gate sensor, it allows you to check if the gate is closed at any time. The pump comes with an 8-meter hose, and can handle at 8.5 atmospheres of pressure. An extension cord, it provides 3 outlets with an 8-meter cord. And a lighting and sound system, it can be connected to a smartphone and other smart garage elements. The devices are conveniently managed through single app, and installation is easy. With these accessories you can maximize the benefits of your garage. Next up is a patented tool that works with springs. The video tutorial is just 90 seconds long, and the design offers strength and security similar tools can only dream of. The description states the tool weighs about 33 and can withstand a load of 40 pounds, you'll need advice for work. And it included safety ropes will make it safer. The spread of the model is up to 8 inches. This is one of the most efficient scissor lifts in. It's classy, and it will be a great addition to both professional car repair shops or home garages. The maximum lifting height is 45 inches. The load capacity limit is 6,000 pounds, at the same time the lift has a simple design, and it can be installed quickly and easily. And since its base is mounted inside the floor, it doesn't take up much space. And it's suitable for rooms with low ceilings. Save time and effort when working on a brake system with this clever tool, made in the US. All you have to do is insert it into the brake caliper, and then slide the pistons out of the way. A set of interchangeable metal plates makes the tool compatible with almost any passenger or commercial vehicle. In addition, the tool shows impressive versatility, and it's able to work with 1, 2, or even 3 piston calipers. The manufacturer has created a detailed step-by-step manual, so that even a person with no experience can master that. These garage defense systems are worth considering. They offer a chance to deter thieves. Essentially, it's a mini barrier with a 10-year warranty. And the option to add an alarm system. This alarm will trigger a siren, potentially scaring away criminals. It also sends a notification to the owner's smartphone. The mini barrier can realistically cover a span of up to 2.7 meters, and is made from sturdy 3 mm of fixed steel, capable of supporting the weight of 3 people. In Top Gear you'll probably remember this very unusual table. According to the information online, it's made from a Jaguar Feet 12 engine. Craftsmen from around the world are making their own versions that look even more interesting. For example, the tables on the screen are made from V6 engines, and they each have the right design. Next, let's take a look at this solution design for auto mechanics and workshops. This type of license detailing resources the comprehensive maintenance of a car, which includes tasks like degreasing, washing, polishing, and applying protective coatings to the body, as well as interior and engine cleaning. As a result, the lighting requirements are quite specific, taking into account factors like mango color brightness and other parameters, for instance. So well-selected color rendering index helps visualize how the color will appear in sunlight without having to take it outside. Next is a universal solution useful for all spaces, from garages and bars to clubs and gyms. It's a mutual lighting system with the easiest installation on the market, at least that's what the seller states. The standard option is hexagons, but other shapes are available upon request. The smallest hexagon is 38 inches by 33 inches and consists of 6 LED tubes. They'll come in white, pink, or blue. And in 2023 variants with remote color control became available.